routine activity. We all love rain, but does it rain every day? No, it rains only during the rainy season, that is from June to September, and it also rains on November and December. Today in our activity, we are going to do a rainy day. We have given you two clouds. Paste two clouds, and we have also given you straw. You can use this straw to paste the raindrops. Now let us begin the activity. You can use Fevistick or Fevicol. The raindrops. Now, a beautiful rainy day is ready. Kids, please do this activity and don't forget to share your pics. Bye bye children.